Looking to increase your property value? Well, you've come to the right place. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of completing a home improvement project, and even better, seeing your property value soar as a result. First on the agenda, kitchen upgrades. This is undoubtedly one of the most effective ways to boost your property's worth. Start by updating your cabinets. A fresh coat of paint or a new set of doors can make a world of difference. Following this, consider updating your countertops. Materials like quartz or granite are not just durable, but also add a touch of luxury. Next, let's spruce up that bathroom. Modernize your fixtures, perhaps with sleek chrome or brushed nickel. Don't forget about the tiles. A new backsplash or floor tiles can transform the entire look of your bathroom. And remember, a little can go a long way, so don't feel pressured to overhaul everything at once. Now, turning our attention to energy efficiency, this is a big selling point for many buyers today. Consider replacing old windows with energy-efficient alternatives. Not only will this save you money on heating and cooling costs, but it can also qualify you for GreenON Rebates. Similarly, upgrading your appliances to energy-efficient models can help you save on your energy bills and may be eligible for incentives from Save on Energy. Lastly, curb appeal. First impressions matter, so make yours count. A fresh coat of paint on the front door, well-maintained landscaping, and a clean, inviting entrance can do wonders for your property's value. To summarize, we've covered kitchen upgrades, bathroom refreshes, energy efficiency enhancements, and boosting curb appeal. Remember, resources like GreenON Rebates and Save on Energy can help offset the costs of some improvements. Plus, local stores offer a wide range of materials for all your home improvement needs. So are you ready to roll up your sleeves and start increasing your property value? We know you are. And remember, every small improvement can make a big difference. Happy renovating.